And welcome back, everyone. Today I have this decorate with me. It is in the family room. This Christmas decorate with me in the family room. And we're just going to add a few items to the area. Overview of the area before, no pillows on the couch, and getting ready to address the fireplace area up top and add a small tree. And of course, add some pillows on the couch, or rather the sectional, and maybe do a little something on the coffee table, which I will do a DIY. I'm going to be adding some rich browns along with a touch of blue in the area. Of course, you've been seeing me use that all season long. This tree here, it's a very narrow tree. I've used it for several years. And I'm doing the fluffing, as well as I'm going to add the lights because it is not a pre-lit tree. And again, that is okay with me. I don't mind. We've been doing it for years, so it's easy. A simple, clean, easy look, and I'm going to add just a few, and when I say a few, I really mean a few baubles on the tree for this area in the family room anyway. I'm going for a easy look up top of the fireplace. I like the fact that it has a lot of depth to it, so I can layer in whatever it is that I'm going to place on it. I have a fresh wreath that I picked up when I purchased the original garland that I showed in a previous video, and it had these red berries on here, which I'm not doing red in the family room at this time, this particular season, so I'm going to pull those away from the wreath. I liked that also it had these rich brown pine cones, which worked perfectly in the space because I'm going to be adding brown. And then we have more of the original garland, and I'm going to place that right on top of the fireplace, as you will see here. I'm also going to cut some of the wires so that more of the leaves will hang freely. And these beautiful brown robust deer that I've had for a few years, adding those on top of the fireplace. Again, more of the cozy, brown, rich feeling that it adds to the space. Like black, brown has pretty much the same effect. Adding the fresh wreath right in front of the mirror, and then going to add back my candlesticks on top of the fireplace. Let me know down in the comment section if there's something that you just like to collect and you really don't even realize you are collecting it. For me, I like elephants, and that's a very conscious decision, but I do like candlesticks, and I like them to be very textured and with a little wash over them in their natural form. Here I had these booties, and they are just a pair of booties I had purchased. I didn't want to buy stockings. I don't do stockings pretty much anymore. Don't have any small children around. Occasionally, once in a while during the season, I might use them. But I just had these. They were already this creamy color, and so I decided I would add them to the fireplace as well. And if it gets cold enough, I can always take them down and put them on. The rich brown and the pillow covers that I have made, and this bowl that I purchased while out thrifting, and I'll be doing another video for that coming up soon. I have a little story to tell you about that. So placing the pillow right inside of its cover, and you can find a lot of my pillow covers on my Etsy shop, which will be linked down below in the description box. And then I'll continue just to add everything around the room, along with a quick DIY that'll be coming up that I'll show you with the bowl and some of the rich brown pine cones, which worked out again perfectly for the season. My goodness, I can just tell you that this garland went a long way. So I plucked out a few more of the little branches, and I'm just going to continue to layer them inside of the bowl along with the pine cones. And I like the fact that if you keep it very moist, the little branches as well as your wreath or your garland, they are very pliable, and as you can see, they just kind of bend with your hand and they can create a little flow right over the bowl. It's a very easy DIY, and it adds a lot of richness to a coffee table or maybe even a dining room table. And we'll just continue to add all of the different elements around the room. And as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then for someone else. Happy holidays. Stay encouraged. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you all in the next video.